Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a hot topic, how to access Twitter now, X freely and safely. Whether you're traveling, facing government restrictions, or just want to protect your privacy, I'll reveal the best VPN that unlocks X and keeps you anonymous. Let's dive in. Let's explore the key reasons why a VPN is a must-have tool for Twitter users. First, X is banned in countries like China, Iran, and North Korea. Even in open democracies, governments can temporarily restrict access during protests or elections. A VPN masks your IP address, making it look like you're browsing from a different country. Concerned about X tracking your every move, including your location and DMs? Hackers lurking on public Wi-Fi networks pose a threat too. With a VPN on your side, your data is encrypted, thwarting snoopers and ISPs from prying into your tweets and DMs, safeguarding your online interactions. Last, in certain countries like the United Kingdom, the United States, and beyond, accessing 18+ content may require age verification. Moreover, recent developments, such as the Indian government's block on adult content, highlight the importance of circumventing content restrictions. A VPN can help you navigate such limitations and access the content you desire securely and privately. After testing some VPNs, UFO VPN stands out for X or Twitter. Here's why. Firstly, blazing speeds. Say goodbye to buffering videos and enjoy seamless scrolling with UFO VPN's network of over 2,000 servers across 100+ countries. Experience lightning-fast connections that ensure a smooth online experience on X or Twitter. Secondly, tailored lines for streaming and gaming. UFO VPN offers customized lines optimized for streaming and gaming activities, including your Twitter or X experience. Whether you're watching videos or engaging in online gameplay, UFO VPN ensures a seamless and immersive online journey. Thirdly, robust security features. With military-grade encryption and a strict no-logs policy, UFO VPN guarantees your online activities remain private and secure. Rest assured that even your ISP won't have a clue that you're accessing X or Twitter, ensuring your browsing sessions are confidential. Now let's show you how to set up UFO VPN on your device. Fire up UFO VPN on your device, head to the location settings, and select a server in countries where Twitter or X is available or near your location, or go to the streaming option to choose special lines for Twitter. Once connected, verify if your IP address has successfully changed. Now open the X app and test if it is working. That's all. Drop questions in the comments and subscribe for more privacy tips. Stay safe and tweet freely.